batch of Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalist. Let me have the pleasure of inviting Mr. M. Isadore, General Manager HR from BHEL for the project Digitalization of Human Resource Management Processes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you the jury, and thank you very much the Scotch organizers for having conferred this award to our team. BHEL has always been the pioneer in HR policies and procedures in the country, and BHEL contributed significantly to the power sector and the infrastructure of the country also. And it is lighting more than 60% of the country with it. It's generating the electricity for the country. So BHEL has always put our employees at the forefront because the employees can contribute, and employees only will make the change into the society. Yeah, the larger society's interest can be addressed through that only. And during this COVID time, sir, we have tried our best resources in extending services to the public, to the retired employees, to the society, to the our own employees through the systems.
A long way to make the country better. Congratulations.
Through our systems. Absolutely. And as every speaker has said, we have also utilized this situation to come online and use this technology for the betterment.
We have to move on, sir. Thank you so much.
We have introduced those things, and we thank you very much for. We thank this the organizers for having recognized those contributions. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now I move on to invite Mr. P.B. Salim, Secretary from the Office of Chief Minister, Government of West Bengal, for Public Grievance Monitoring System E-Samadhan. Salim.
এখানে একটা কথা আমার বলাতে স্যার ডক্টর ইজ অলসো হিয়ার এই ব্যাক করো আগে
We move on to the next, and this one goes to Director, Government Reforms, Department of Governance Reforms and Public Grievances, Punjab, for Project Punjab M-Seva.
On behalf of Government of Punjab, I would like to thank the organizers and the jury to consider this particular nomination and make us reach to this particular level. So the idea of introducing Punjab M-Seva came from the mission of national e-governance and mobile governance, which started way back 7 years ago. So taking that particular journey ahead, almost a year back, we started with the Digital Punjab journey, wherein we started to consolidate all the mobile applications across the state. So that gave the birth to the Punjab M-Seva, which is a consolidated mobile application for the citizens to access any government service from a single place. So we are evolving on this particular platform. We are adopting the India enterprise architecture also in order to have the services in place. In parallel to that, we are increasing the number of services which the beneficiaries can access sitting at their home. So this happens to be one of the very great initiative which was started well in time and made the citizens to access the government services sitting from their home during this pandemic time.
Thank you very much, Parminder ji, for bringing in the citizens' perspective. Hopefully this project moves from one place to another and goes notches up. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I now invite Mr. Vikas Heat, Sub-Divisional Magistrate, District Administration, Amritsar, for Project Virasat. Please unmute yourself. We are not able to hear the gentleman.
Hello.
Vikas sir, please unmute yourself.
I have already. Am I audible now?
We can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. We'd like to thank the Scotch Group as well as the jury members who have appreciated our efforts. A kind word and appreciation goes a long way to motivate your team and augmenting our efforts further for community development. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Excellent.
Mr. Jadav Kanak Singh Dilip Singh, Village Computer Entrepreneur, eGram Kanji Panchayat Gram Society for eGram Project E-Governance Services from Gandhinagar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning and congratulations, Jadav ji.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, thank you, sir.
Welcome and congratulations.
eGram प्रोजेक्ट मेरा शुरू से फेवरेट रहा है, इसके बारे में मैंने पुस्तक भी लिखी है.
सही बात है. हेलो.
हमसे जुड़ने के लिए धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Neelam Sanghi, additional CPFC headquarters from Employee Provident Fund Organization EPFO for the project EPFIGMS.
Good morning to everybody.
Congratulations.
And thank you so much. A big thank you to Scotch for giving us this opportunity to showcase our work. We have actually set up this employees grievance management system, which is an online system. EPFO has a subscriber base of 6 crores. So we have 6 crore subscribers, and they can online, they can register through mobile, they can register anywhere in the world. They can register, we also have international workers. They can register their grievance, and this grievance is an interactive system. They get a registration number, and through OTP number, they can track their grievance, where it is, and it is resolved in the quickest time, between 4 to less than 7 days. 80% of our grievances are resolved in less than 7 days, and 91% are resolved within 15 days. So we get about 1 lakh grievances registered every month. And this is actually very helpful to us during COVID-19, because this time our facilitation centers were not working. There was no physical interaction. So sitting at home, our subscribers could register their grievances, and they had many queries, and these were all replied to by the EPFI GMS. Thank you so much. We are very indebted to you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Congratulations, madam. I'm also very happy to note that a lot of people were able to withdraw their savings.
We had a scheme for COVID-19 advance, special scheme with 3 months salary they could withdraw to help them out during this situation, sir.
It's a very commendable effort. Excellent.
Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you. And now invite Mr. Mahesh Thalotia, Superintendent of Fisheries from the Department Modasa, for the project Fish Cage Culture.
Hello. Good morning, everybody, sir. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello. Sir. I am Mahesh Thalotia, sir. Okay, sir, I am on road, sir. I am going for some official work, sir. So, sir, there may be some interruptions, sir. We have, sir, fish cage culture for the tribal, sir. And the project is going on, sir. And approximately 15.38 crore rupees invested in this project by the entrepreneurs and the it's
okay, compliments.
Hello.
Excellent. Could we move on to the next?
Thank you so much. I now invite Mr. R.K. Shah, Professor and Director, Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat, Education Department, Government of Gujarat, for the geographic education mapping of higher education. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, thank you for this program and the award. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, हम जो ये जियोग्राफिकल मैपिंग किया है और जो पोर्टल कर रहे हैं, इसमें हमारे स्टेट की सभी हायर एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट का हमने जियोग्राफिकल मैपिंग किया है, और इसके साथ उस इंस्टीट्यूट के रिलेटेड टोटल इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें हमने रखी हुई है. तो अभी आपके प्लेटफॉर्म से इसको इतना एडवर्टाइज मिला है, इतना मार्केटिंग हुआ है इसका, कि अभी हमें कोविड टाइम में जब हमारे यहाँ सभी जगह एडमिशन चल रहा है तो स्टूडेंट अपने आप जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, पर लेकिन उनको ये पोर्टल से अब पता चला कि ये पोर्टल इतना इम्पोर्टेंट था, इसमें इतना इंफॉर्मेशन है, तो आप फ्रॉम योर प्लेटफॉर्म लोगों को पता चला। और एडमिशन के समय में अभी जब एडमिशन चल रहे हैं तो उन स्टूडेंट्स को कहाँ एडमिशन लेना चाहिए, किस इंस्टीट्यूट में क्या फैसिलिटी है, कौन प्रोफेसर है, ये सारी चीजें इस पोर्टल से पता चला है। तो मेरे हिसाब से आप लोगों ने हमारे स्टूडेंट को, हमारे स्टेट के 3000 इंस्टीट्यूट एंड 73 प्लस 8 इंस्टीट्यूट यूनिवर्सिटी, मतलब 82 इंस्टीट्यूट्स को आपने बहुत बड़ी हेल्प की है। और मेरे हिसाब से तो ये होलिस्टिक हेल्प मिली है कि कोई भी स्टूडेंट गलत जगह एडमिशन नहीं ले रहा है, उसे परफेक्ट पता है कि मेरी इंस्टीट्यूट में क्या क्या है, कहाँ मुझे एडमिशन लेना चाहिए।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। इस प्रोजेक्ट को आप आगे बढ़ाएं और इसका प्रचार प्रसार करें। आपको स्कॉच ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट सेमीफाइनल अवार्ड मिला है, आप इसका भी प्रसार करें।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके सर।
I now invite Mr. Rahul Bhatt, ERP PM, Web GIS Team Lead from Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited for Web GIS in MSc TCL in Bhuvan platform. Mr. Bhatt.
Hello. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. And on behalf of Maha Transco, we thank you, Scotch Group, for recognizing our effort to develop a GIS system for our organization in collaboration with NRSC ISRO with a very minimum cost, which otherwise would require a huge investment. And we have tried to, develop a very novel concept in implementing mapping of transmission assets and transmission lines especially. And that is helping our organization to a great extent in decision making. So thank you. And we are looking forward to win the Scotch Award today evening. So thank you, gentlemen.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I now invite Ms. Anu Jain, Deputy Director, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India for Samadhan portal.
Thank you so much from Team Samadhan and from the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Thank you so very much. Thanks to Judy. Thank you.
Congratulations, Anuji.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Over to Dr. Navaljeet Kapoor, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India for empowerment of tribals through IT-enabled scholarship schemes.
Thank you very much. Empowerment of the tribals through digitalization. It is not possible without the teamwork. First of all, we have vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, who has given concept of Digital India. Then Niti Aayog and DBT Mission, who motivated us to do this program. Then faith of our Minister, our Secretary, and my entire teamwork, which has helped us in achieving this milestone. This recognition gives us more enthusiasm to work more hard. In the end, I will only say, विवेकानंद जी ये कहते थे कि आप भाग्यवान हैं अगर आपको सेवा का मौका मिला है. Service of people is service of God. Thank you, Scotch. Thank you for this recognition.
नवलजीत जी, आपका पैशन बहुत ही सराहनीय है. आप जितने दिल से कर रहे हैं काम करते रहिए. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Mausam Palevar, Chief Municipal Officer from Municipal Council, Narsinghpur for Swachh Bharat. I now invite Mr. Girija Shankar, Commissioner, PR and RD Panchayat Raj and Rural Development, Andhra Pradesh for DBT for effective initiatives under MG NREGA. You heard him speak.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gurcharan, and we thank entire Scotch team for this recognition, and this reaffirms our commitment to the DBT concept. And in fact, in the NREGA, that is the main feature that is helping us in providing work to a number of people in meeting the entire demand under NREGA program. So about 99.9% of our transactions are through DBT. And except in the remote tribal areas where primitive tribal groups live, except those pockets, and an entire thing 99.9% through DBT only. And in this last 4 months of this financial year, we have done 4 crore transactions. Ever since it started in 2017, we have done 15 crore transactions. So thank you so much, and it has enhanced our responsibility. So thank you for all this recognition.
Congratulations. So next one also goes to Mr. Girija Shankar, which is Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission.
Yeah, we have been awarded 13 clusters by Government of India under Rurban scheme, and the unique feature in implementation is we developed the spatial plans. So we have done in all these clusters spatial plans, and through the GIS-based spatial planning, the zoning and all has been arrived at the way we do it in many of the big urban areas, and we have provided urban infrastructure in rural areas, particularly the big rural pockets. Also, we have provided a lot of economic activities for the rural poor, but since it is growing as an urban area, there is a challenge on getting livelihoods. So we have provided bulk milk chilling units and agri godowns likewise. And thank you for this opportunity for the Scotch team for this.
The third one also goes to Mr. Girija Shankar, which is for capacity building and training under MGNREGA.
Yeah. Thanks once again. And as you know, the training and motivation is the key in achieving, any kind of accolades in particularly in the governance aspect, because to reach out to a number of wage labor, we need a large workforce, and this workforce need to be completely trained, and then so that everybody follows the standard operating procedures. So we trained about 5.8 lakh our employees and also the field workers, and including the mates and the senior mates and the field assistants, Rojgar Sevaks, and also our staff, technical staff. So this has helped in implementing the program in a better way, and we have been ranked number one in providing person days till last week. Now that Rajasthan took over, so whatever the demand, particularly because of the COVID and also the reverse migration, number of people have returned to their native villages. There has been a huge demand for work in rural areas, particularly unskilled wage labor work. So we are able to meet the demand, and particularly because of this trainings and also the motivational aspects. And we thank Scotch team for recognizing our effort in this. And the effort goes to my team. Let me just turn this for a while to my team. So they want to meet you and they also say thanks to you. So Mr. Dr. Shivashankar looks after he looks after the capacity building. Indira Priyadarshini looks after the Rurban scheme, and Jyoti looks after the DBT. Big thanks.
A good round of applause. Very good.
We are very
keep up the good work.
That Scotch team for giving this recognition. Thank you.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you, Julie.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations once again. Thank you.
Thank you a lot, Gurcharan and team. Thank you.
Mr. Raghavendra Bhatt, Director, Rudra Solar and Aqua India Private Limited for Resource Recovery Plan.
Very good morning to all. Special thanks to, I especially thank to Scotch Group and the jury member who gave us an opportunity to showcase the product that we have built, Resource Recovery Plan, which is going to be a game changer for the vision what our Prime Minister has, Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Today, most of the manufacturing industries are struggling with effluents, poisonous chemicals. So this is definitely going to be a game changer. We are going to help them reduce their carbon footprint and reduce the chemical pollution that they're going to add. So once again, thanks a lot to Scotch Group for giving us an opportunity to showcase this, and best of luck to all the participants.
Congratulations. Mr. Sajid Memon, Secretary, State Hajj Committee from Chhattisgarh for the project Hajj Management Reforms and Innovations.
Thank you very much, Scotch. We have been serving and we are serving plus 60 aged or civil or senior citizen people, and with the Scotch platform, we will be having a better opportunity where we can project that what we have done can be other people can replicate, and I presume that we are so much recognized, and we really thank to Scotch team and Samir ji and Gurcharan ji. I am really thankful.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I now invite Mr. Shailesh Patel, Chief Officer from Vyara Nagar Palika, for the project Zero Waste, No Landfill.
Good morning to all dignitaries of Scotch and all participants. Sir, हमें बहुत खुशी हुई है कि हमारे गुजरात सरकार और पर्टिकुलरली रीजनल म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर के ऑफिस और हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और नगर पालिका के पदाधिकारी अधिकारी से ये हमें अवार्ड मिला है, तो हम आपका बहुत आभारी हैं। सर, आप जानते हैं कि अभी का मेन प्रॉब्लम है रैपिड अर्बनाइजेशन एंड लोकल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। तो वेस्ट ही इज अ सॉल्यूशन है कि ये दोनों प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। और हमारे टाउन के अंदर जो हम साइंटिफिक वे से अभी एनजीटी के रूल्स से जो डेवलप साइट कर रहे हैं, तो जीरो वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, मेरे को लैंडफिल इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम और हम उसको रिजोल्व करने के लिए एज अ साइंटिफिक वे से कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत सद्भाग्य है और हम पर्टिकुलरली स्कॉच को बहुत बधाई देते हैं कि हमको इसको अप्लाई करने में आपको बहुत हमने मदद मिली है आपसे। सो अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
मुबारक हो आप। So this brings us to the end of the first round of the announcement for the Scotch Order of Merit.